Yo, what's going on? It's Kimber the Realtor. Realtor, man. Listen, I'm at another open house. I just wanted you guys to get a feel of how it is, man. So we back. I just got set up. I'm taking pictures. I will say this open house is more for like content, video content. The more video content, the better, man. So we walk through. I can tell you one thing I did like about this particular house, man, is that light right there. It's a cool little chandelier, man. I know you can't see it, it's pretty bright. Let me see if I can focus in. Yeah, yeah. I like that. That's real dope, man. But yeah, another open house. You know, yeah, just out here, man. Same setup. Everything. I did get someone to reach out to me. They wanted to do like a referral. And that's cool, you know what I mean? You can get money that way through those referrals if you guys want to go that route. But yeah, let me walk through real quick so you guys can see what I see. Yeah, man, real time. This would be the bathroom right here. Sorry, y'all gotta be in here with me. This would be the bathroom right here. This is pretty cool, you know what I mean? For a family. I think it'd probably be pretty cool for a family size. Nothing too crazy. But I just like space. I like a lot of space. Cause this room, as soon as you went out that room, this room right here, it's like side by side type of thing. So man, you would have to have I'm believing like you would have to have kids, man, because it's not enough space for an adult. You know what I mean? Just my opinion. This would be the other bathroom right here. Y'all can't see much. I'm all in the frame. I'm gonna have to switch it around so y'all can see what I see. Hold on real quick. All right. So this would be the bathroom, tub, stand up shower. A little bit. I mean, this is cool, I'm not a fan of hardwood floors. That's my thing, man. If I want to be somewhere, I would rather be somewhere where it's carpet. Bathroom tile. To me, just a little outdated, man. But yeah, I'm not a fan of the hardwood floors. You got your fireplace. Nice lighting. The white appliances though, man, that's the thing. Those are non-existent, and everything is black appliances. You want to have those black appliances when you're trying to sell a home, just in my opinion. But yeah, man, I just wanted you guys to see, man, we back at another open house, man. Doing another tour for you guys so you guys can see. Let me flip it around so you guys can see what's going on with the realtor. Not realtor. I know I've been saying it wrong this whole time. I'm like, why everybody be like realtor? Realtor. Alright, man, make sure y'all like, subscribe. It's your boy. Yeah, Kimber the Realtor. Come on. Look at me just looking at myself in the camera, man. Alright, man, so I just pretty much wanted to give you guys a rundown on everything. Not every house is going to be lavish. Not every open house, but you want to just go out there and get your feet wet. I know like how they try to make it seem like, oh, you got to be in this house that looks like a mansion, but that's not every time. You may be doing some open houses that may not be up to par. So, I mean, and this property is really, it's not bad. It's just not, just not for me, I would say, but it's good for like content. If you're trying to get content, with me, I do photography, so it's perfect for me to get out there, take pictures so I can show to other people as well, other realtors as well. So you want to be able to have like different things that you can offer yourself as a service, because everybody is doing the same thing. So you want to show how can they benefit by working with you. You know what I mean? Like, why do they need you? And I haven't been in the game long, but I have people reaching out to me like, hey, could you go look at this property? I'll give you this amount. They'll pay you to show a house or do a video tour, man. You just gotta click up with the right people. So that's why I try to do. For all you up and coming agents, man, do not get discouraged. This is to help you. So just wanted you to see how the property looks. But yeah, man, give me your feedback. Make sure you like, subscribe so you can stay tuned, because I'm going to do many more. If you want to do open houses, man, try to do them like every weekend or every other weekend. You know what I mean? Like, you want to get out there so people can continue to see your face more and more. And yeah, man, I mean, and this is the bathroom area here. I'm just not a fan of hardwood floor, but it is what it is. But make sure you guys like or subscribe. And this is Kimber the Realtor, and I'm out.